Hey, what's going on here, folks? Here we are in the symmetry increasing and decreasing of functions section. So let's check out this first example right here. So we're going to be given this graph of f of x down here, right? So as you can see here, and we need to sketch the graph of negative f of x, 2 times f of x, and a half of f of x. And so we can do that just by knowing what these kind of things kind of look like here, right? So by using my coordinate plane over here, we know that when we take the opposite of the function, then we're going to reflect that across the x-axis. So looking at this guy, it's just going to reflect down this way, right? So we know that we still have negative 1, 0, but then this point right here at 0, 1 will just be reflected down here to 0, negative 1. And this point 3, 2 will then be reflected at 2, negative 3. And, or actually that's 3, 2. So that'd be 1, 2, 3, and then negative 2 right there. So I'm just get rid of that guy. So what we can do now is go ahead and just graph that little dude. And so this is going to give us our negative f of x. All right, cool. So what about now doubling our function? Well, really, if you think about it, all it's doing is we're just doubling the y value, right? So, for instance, the 0, negative 1 won't do anything to it, but the point 0, 1, we're going to double the y value. So I mean, it's going to go from 0, 1 to 0, 2. And again, this point right here, instead of it being 3, 2, so we doubled the y value to be 4. So that means it would be a 3 and then 4. Bam! So that means we can go ahead and graph that little dude. And this is going to be 2 times our function f of x. And then same kind of idea right here, right? Is that here we doubled the value of y. Now we're just going to cut the y value in half. So again, we always start at the same place there. I should probably change my color here. And then we'll do blue. So negative 1, 0 still stays there because if you cut 0 in half, it's still 0. And then this is the point 0, 1, so that means it's going to be 0, a half, right? And then this is 3, 2, so that means it's going to be a 3 and then 1. So it most definitely made this guy a lot skinnier right there. So it's going to be 1/2 f of x. And that should do it for that little dude.